ERASER by Anna Kang. Illustrated by Christopher Weyant. Creatively read and adapted by Lorenzo. If you have a copy of this book, let's read it together. Please watch till the end to ace the quiz. Storytime is fun! This is my way of encouraging kids like me to read, learn, and have fun. Come join me for a story time with Lorenzo. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. 5 plus 4, 11. I was just, testing you. A plus. Excellent. Thanks, I guess I'm just naturally good at math. You totally rocked that math test! Pencil's so sharp. I wish I was as cool as Cobalt. Everyone thinks Pencil and her friends are the smart and creative ones. It's not fair. And look at tape and glue. They can get anyone to stick together. Even pipe cleaners and buttons. Kumbaya. We all love paper. Whenever I see you, I feel like I can do anything. I don't run ever. And Scissors, well, she's just kind of scary. What do I bring to the table? Nothing. I just take things away. You make everyone look good. You do an excellent job. I'm tired of being just a cleanup crew. Don't you ever feel like you're more? More what? Lunchtime is over. Everyone gather around for a science project meeting. I hear it's worth half of our grade. Not you, ERASER. This is a creative meeting. That night, rub, rub, rub. This is going to knock their caps off. Ta-da! It's for the science project. What do you think? It's wonderful. Very modern. Oh, I'm so sorry, ERASER. I'm all clogged up. Enough with the fun and games. We have real work to do. Later that day. Looking good, everyone. Let's all take 5. ERASER, what are you doing? Helping? ERASER has one job, to clean up after me. It's not my fault. She can't actually make anything. Except a mess. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm tired of being Pencil's pooper scooper. Please don't go. We need you. Are you sure, ERASER? Fire away! Forward my mail! Sprung. Swoosh. Whomp. Ow! Sorry, dude. ERASER? Hey guys, look! It's ERASER! I'm a huge fan! I love your work. You do? I do create. I create second chances. Mistakes make us great. Meanwhile, back on the desk. Oh no, I forgot to check my math homework. 3 plus 6 equals 8. 1 plus 12 equals 15. Oh? 2 plus 4 equals 3. 14 plus 9 equals 29. F. This is not good. Yeehaw! ERASER's back, and he brought some friends with me. Hooray! We missed you! Oh, Oh, thank goodness, they're going through my entire shape like there's no tomorrow. It's been totally bonkers. Eraser, I'm sorry. I think I need your help. Will you please help me? You bet. Let's get to work. Take your time. You're doing great. We can always fix it. The next day, woohoo! The rainforest. A+. Hooray! Kumbaya. Oh, we had the straightest lines for sure. You know, you make a very fine point. Sure, I like correcting, but what I really want to do is paint. Thanks, partner. Anytime. The end. Now it's time to start the quiz. Theme. Something important that the story is trying to teach the reader, also called central message. What is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is loving yourself and accepting who you are, just like Eraser did. Character analysis. How did Eraser change from beginning to the end of the book? At the beginning, Eraser did not think she had anything special about her. At the end, she loves that she can help others make their mistakes into something great. Figurative language. Puns. Pun. Humorous use of a word in such a way as to suggest two or more of its meanings, or the meaning of another word is similar in sound. Explain why it's punny when Yellow Crayon says, pencil so sharp. It's funny because pencil is smart, sharp, and also sharp because he is nice and pointy. Comprehension. Explain this quote from the story. Mistakes make us great. It means in order to be great at something, you might make mistakes along the way. You practice and try many things first. That was awesome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on the new videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.